There was a time in my life where things were very hard. I honestly did not even know where my next meal was going to come from. That was back then in 2020, the COVID year. I was completely broke. And when I say broke, I mean completely broke. And if you know anything about starting up an online business, most people will tell you that you need this software, you need this expensive setup, or you also need to invest heavily at first. But I had none of that. Then one day, a friend told me about Amazon KDP. At first, I didn't really understand it. The idea that ordinary people could create books and sell them on Amazon and make money from it, it sounded too simple and honestly too good to be true. But something inside me told me that, what if this is the opportunity you have been praying for? So I decided to just give it a try. But there was a major problem. I didn't have a laptop. And at this point, this is where most people would have just given up. So I had to ask myself, what can I do with what I already have? And the answer was very simple. I had a phone. And that was it. So I found a way to create books and sell them on Amazon using my phone. Was it easy? No. Was it convenient? Definitely not. There were moments of frustration, times where I felt like giving up, times where everything just seemed not to be working. In fact, I made 150 books and I did not even get one sale from it. Not 10, not 50, not 100. I mean 150. And I did not even get one sale from it. Imagine putting in so much amount of effort and literally getting no results. Most people would have just quit. Most people would have just turned their back and say, Amazon KDP does not work. But deep down inside of me, I knew that the problem was not the platform itself. The problem was that I was still learning. And that changed everything. Instead of quitting, I studied, I got better, I improved. I learned what worked. I also learned what did not work. I kept refining, I kept publishing, and then it happened. The results started coming in. My first month, I made about $22. The next month, I made about $150. Then my first 1 year on Amazon KDP, I made about $15,000. And mind you, I was not running ads. I was not using any fancy tool. It was just the determination that I had to improve and become better. I even made a video about my first year on Amazon KDP back then in 2020, and it's still on this channel. That was my first video that I made on this channel, and it's still there. You can go and see it. And since then, I have been making money from Amazon every single year consistently. And this is my 6th year of doing this business. After everything I have seen online, all the business models that people seem to talk about, in my opinion, Amazon KDP is actually the best and the easiest way to make money online in 2026. And this story is not just about me. That's what I want you to understand. There are people making serious money on Amazon every single day, thousands of dollars, consistently. A lot of them are not on YouTube. They are not posting screenshots. They're not even trying to become influencers. They are simply building their businesses and collecting their royalties. And because these people are silent, other people just think that Amazon KDP is dead. Even here in Nigeria, my country, there are people making serious money very quietly on Amazon. And a lot of people still in Nigeria are still complaining, still saying that, the business model is dead. But simply because they don't know that this thing still works. Let me say it again. Amazon KDP is not dead. Yes, the platform has changed. It has evolved. It's not like the way it used to be before. Amazon now has stricter policies. They have higher standards. They have more restrictions. And honestly, if you ask me, it's a good thing because it removes lazy publishers. It removes low quality content. It rewards people that are willing to put in the work to actually know how the platform works. The people struggling right now are usually those people that are refusing to adapt. They are still using the old methods to make books and sell on Amazon. They are resisting change. But if you understand what Amazon wants, if you align yourself with the platform, if you focus on quality, there's so much opportunity there. And this is one thing I want you to realize. This business model does not require you to quit your job. It does not require you to go and blow up your life savings. This is something you can literally do on the weekends. Just a few focused hours, consistent effort, publishing about 2 good books every month. That's it. The truth is, if you start now and stay consistent heading into Q4, you would be amazed at what you will see, because Q4 is that particular time where many publishers begin to see massive growth. But growth is not by accident. It happens because they started early, they prepared, they planted seeds, and now they are harvesting. The truth is, this year is still full of opportunities, but opportunities only reward actions, not wishful thinking, not endless watching, not overthinking. Action. You can spend the next few months doubting, or you can spend the next few months building. And in a few months from now, your life would look completely different. So the question right now is, will you start? If you are serious about starting Amazon KDP, then I've created an inner circle where I teach everything you need to know in order to succeed in Amazon KDP. I have a full recording of my previous mentorship programs, and we hold a weekly Q&A session where you get to ask me any question you have, or any problem you are going through, or any challenges you have. And if you are interested in joining my inner circle, then I'll leave a link in the description. So I'll see you there. And if you have not already subscribed to this channel, then hit the subscribe button right now. And if this video inspired you and you want to start publishing your books on Amazon KDP, but you don't know how to do it, then you should watch this video here where I break down the step-by-step process that you can use to publish a book on Amazon KDP, whether it's a paperback or a hardback or an ebook.